Hey guys, what's up? It's Gloria. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my eyebrow routine. I asked you guys on Instagram what video do you guys wanted to see next, if an eyebrow tutorial or a fall makeup look, and you guys voted an eyebrow tutorial, so that's what I'm doing. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure to follow me. I'm gonna put my usernames down below, and also at the end of the video there's going to be like my usernames. Make sure to follow me because I ask you guys what you guys want to see next, if a video or another, or I just post stuff and I'm cool, so go follow me. I filmed my eyebrow tutorial. It's very simple. It's gonna be a short video. I've been using the same routine for like 2 years. I haven't changed almost anything, so if you guys wanting to see my eyebrow routine, then keep on watching. So first of all, let's ignore the situation going on my forehead right now. I've been locking up my skincare routine because I've been into recovery for my surgery. So let's just ignore that part and let's get started. So my eyebrow routine is actually really simple. I've been doing the same thing for like 2 years now. What I use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade, and I have mine in the shade dark brown. This thing, it lasts a lot. I've been using the same one for a long time now, and before this one I had another one that I used for like 3 years, but it got a little dry, so I just threw it away and got a new one. And I use this brush from Anastasia's. It's like a little angled brush, and it's actually double-sided with spoolie. Mine is all rubbed off, but I know it's the Anastasia number 12 brush. Okay, I want to point out that I haven't gotten my eyebrows done by someone like since March, because the lady that used to do them for me, she like took off like half of these eyebrows, so I got so scared and I never went back. So I just plucked them at home by myself. But anyways, so the first thing I do is I brush my eyebrow hairs upwards like this. I grab a little bit of the pomade like this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna outline the shape of my eyebrow like this. If I start here at the very beginning, it'll give it more a square out of like a square sharp shape, and I don't want that. I want it to look more natural, so I just start like here and I start outlining my eyebrow. I do like arch my eyebrow like this just to kind of like pull my skin so it's not like wrinkly or anything. Just pull my skin so I know where I'm going with this. And I don't grab a lot of product. I go little by little because a little bit can go a long way without the brow pomade, and you don't want it to look like that. After that, I just blend it a little bit more, and then the next thing I do is I brush my eyebrow hairs downwards like this, and that's gonna show where I need to fill in right here. You see all those spots? That's where I need to fill in. So I'm gonna go in and outline the shape of my eyebrow right here on top. Like that. And I know it looks a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna start filling in now. With that guide that I just did, I'm gonna start filling in from there. And I just like draw like little strokes up there, and then I brush my eyebrow. And once I brush my eyebrow upwards again, I can see a little more of the bald spots right there, so I just fill those in. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna grab what's left on my brush. I'm not gonna go in with more product. I'm just gonna grab what's left on my brush, and I'm gonna go like this. right there. And then I'm gonna blend that in with my brush, with this spoolie. And that's gonna give it more of a natural look. And it's okay if it looks like a little bit messed up, like on the edges, because I'm gonna go in later and clean it up with concealer. Alright, so next up I'm going to carve out the shape of the eyebrows, and to do that I'm going to be using a concealer. Any concealer will do. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape today, and I'm actually using a lighter shade just to highlight my brow bone, and a flat brush. Any flat brush will do. This is like from ELF. This is really old. You can see how old that is. I've been using it forever, but it works wonders. But any flat brush. So what I do is I put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and I work from there. I go with my brush a little bit, and then I start from the bottom, just outlining my eyebrow. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the top of my eyebrow. Don't worry if it looks like it's a lot or that it looks too white. That's gonna be covered up with foundation anyways. The next and final step, actually, I usually do it at the end of my, well, not at the end of my makeup, just after I put on bronzer. Just because when I go in on my forehead with my bronzer, my eyebrow hairs can move, and that's why I do it after bronzer. But I'm going to show you guys now just for the sake of the video. So I go in with the brow gel. I've been using the Colourpop Brow Buzz Gel, and it is pretty affordable and it works wonders. I used to use the Maybelline Gray Lash Mascara, the clear mascara, and it works if you're on a budget. I think this one's actually more affordable than the Maybelline one. It works better. But if you can get your hands on like Colourpop, just the Maybelline clear mascara, it works perfect, and it's like at any drugstore. Going to set my eyebrows, my eyebrow hairs on place just by brushing them upwards. So that was my eyebrow routine. Very easy, very simple. If you guys liked the video, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also make sure to hit the notification bell just to be notified every time I upload and you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao. And if I start like here, oh my gosh. There's a thing falling on the wall over there.